Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix Instagram story music something went wrong problem. Instagram story trending music not showing problem. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Long press on long tap on Instagram apps. Go to apps info. Click on storage. Again click on clear data. Tap on clear cache data. Tap on clear cache data on Instagram apps. Step 2. Open Play Store. Go to search. Search Instagram apps. Update your Instagram application latest version. You make sure your Instagram application is up to date. Step 3. Restart your device. You can follow all of the steps to fix Instagram story music something went wrong problem or Instagram story trending music not showing problem. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.